So I just got home from New York and I hope you guys enjoyed seeing everything that I ate while I was there. I know I enjoyed it. I ate so much good food. It was such a nice, fun, relaxing trip. Pretty much all I did was eat and drink. So hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing that. I wanted to give a shout out to today's sponsor, which is Hopper. And I actually used Hopper to book my flight to New York, and I'm gonna use it to book my flight to Miami, which hopefully I'm going next month. If you don't know what Hopper is, it is a free app that helps you get the cheapest flights, hotels, and rental car bookings. Like I said, I used it to book my flight to New York and I saved like $100, which is amazing. I'm gonna pop a screen recording here on the screen and show you guys how easy it is to use. I'm gonna go to flights. I'm gonna say I'm going from LA to Miami. You'll see it has a color-coded calendar, which makes it easy to find the best travel date for your trip. So you may change your trip by like a day or two and get a cheaper rate. Like I said, I'm in planning mode. I'm not ready to book this trip yet, which is perfect because I can watch the trip. The app will monitor the prices and notify me when the best price is available for my flight. It's like having your own personal handheld travel concierge, which is really nice. And it's cool, it says on the app that I should keep watching this trip but book before November 26th for the best price. They also have a feature called Price Freeze. So once Hopper finds you the best price, you can freeze it and you have 7 days to book the trip with that price and they'll hold it for you. So even if the rate goes up, if you book within 7 days of freezing the price, then you get that low rate. And if the price happens to go down, once you freeze the price, you'll obviously get the lower price. I'm gonna freeze the price for my flight actually right now because then that gives me a week to finalize all of the dates and my travel plans, and I'll still have that super amazing rate. It's a no-brainer, honestly. Don't forget to mark your calendars for November 30th for Hopper's Travel Deal Tuesday. Think Black Friday or Cyber Monday, but for travel deals. Travel Deal Tuesday is the best day in the post-Thanksgiving shopping period for consumers to find deals on travel, including flights, hotels, and car rentals. Hopper analyzed its travel pricing data and noticed that the Tuesday after Thanksgiving consistently offers the most significant volume of travel deals. Since Hopper started, Travel Deal Tuesday has been established as a national retail holiday that even their competitors jump to participate in. This year, Travel Deal Tuesday falls on Tuesday, November 30th. Make sure you guys take advantage of this and book your holiday vacations, or if you're going to see your family for the holidays in December, or you're planning a New Year's trip or a spring vacation, make sure to take advantage of these deals because they're going to be amazing. And on top of all of those ways that Hopper can save you money, they also have their own rewards program called Carrot Cash. If you guys want to try out Hopper and use it to book your next flight, hotel, or car rental, you can click the link in my description and new users will receive $10 Carrot Cash for free. And that reward can be applied to your first hotel booking through Hopper. Thank you again to Hopper for sponsoring this video. And now that I'm home, I'm gonna do a little bit of cooking for you guys. So please enjoy another soup recipe because you know me and my soup, and also my pumpkin bread that happens to include some incredible rain ASMR. So if you're looking for a little bit of relaxation, keep watching because just keep watching.